Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack. This is how to fix Chrome browser auto refresh. So, if you ever encounter this issue, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your Chrome by selecting the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now, here on the settings tab, you could just simply go ahead and go to the system over here on the left side of the screen. Now, here guys, if you have this turned on, make sure to turn it off over here. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Now, another option is you could just simply go ahead and go to the performance tab over here on the left side. And guys, if you have the memory saver turned on, make sure to turn this off because sometimes this causes the issue on why the Chrome browser auto refresh. Now, if it doesn't work guys, you could just simply restart your Chrome by closing it and reopening it up again, or you could just simply go ahead and select about Chrome over here and make sure you are running the latest version of the Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.